Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add attendance bot to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and some tips. From here we just have to go into a channel, then tap on connect apps. Then wait as the app loads. Now we scroll down, and under the working from home section, we find attendance bot. We can just tap on this. And here, after the page is done loading, we can just tap on add to Slack, thereby enabling the app to be used in our workspace. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.